Anurag More from OEM Update. Today we are at IMTEX and we have Mr. Sachin from Ace Micromatic. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. So can you tell us something about your product portfolio?
First of all, this is the Ace Micromatic Group. The CNR sheet metal solution comes under the group of Ace Micromatic. We are into manufacturing of CNC laser cutting machines, press brake machines, and welding automations. So we catering to the sheet metal segment.
Can you tell us about if you are planning to launch any new products in near future?
Yeah, definitely. We are also planning to put up a new design on this regarding folding machines and kind of press punch kind of things.
And what are the technological development happening in your product?
Earlier we were into only regular CNC laser cutting machines. We already introduced laser cutting with robo and as well as welding automation with robo, gantry as well as press brake with robo. We have it.
And to which all industries do you supply your products? And do you also export your products?
Yeah, definitely. We have exported our machines to the Australia. Now the 3 machines are already running in Australia, and we are also planning to export in Southeast as well as UAE and some other Europe countries too.
How this MTEX event is helping you?
Definitely, this IMTEX metal forming is dedicatedly for sheet metal division, and this is help us to introduce ourselves to the customers and to showcase our capabilities, strengths to the users.
Do you also plan to visit the next edition of the event?
Definitely, we are also participating in the next IMTEX metal forming also.
Thank you so much.